with a goal that is a lot bigger than us. You all might have already seen our trailer, but I know most of you haven't. So let's briefly introduce GDSC to everyone on both global and local aspects.
Yeah, and for now, we would like to call our web team member Osama Payne Jr. Welcome. So welcome him. Hello, Osama. Uh, are you there? Hello.
Let me check if he's.
Is Osama there?
I think he's there, but he hasn't got the access for camera and mic, I guess. Oh, he's
Okay.
there.
Yes. Okay. Fine. Good.
Hi, Osama.
You're on mute.
Uh, I guess you were on mute. We can see you, but we can't hear you.
I guess he is facing some mic problem.
Hmm. Yeah.
Okay, it's working now.
It's,
Yeah,
it's,
it is. Yeah.
it's okay now.
Okay. So I guess it was some issues with my earphone. So yeah, I'll be presenting an AR demo today of our college and the beautiful new town. So let's begin. Let me try to present my screen. Okay, can you give me access to present my screen?
Yes, I have given the access. Can you see right now?
Yeah. So I'm a presenter now. Let me try to present my screen. So share audio screen. I guess it's visible now, right?
Yeah, it's visible.
So basically, one of our GDSC member has created this AR app where if I point to this image on the screen, so the video will be playing. It's visible, right?
Developer student clubs are university-based communities where students learn about Google technology and use their skills to solve local problems. There are over 700 clubs all over the world. From North America to Europe, Africa, and across Asia, we encourage more students to join or start a developer student club at their university. These clubs help student developers learn through hands-on workshops. They then identify challenges faced by local businesses, NGOs, and sometimes even their own universities and build real solutions for real problems.
The workshops that we had was Firebase, Actions on Google, and we're about to do ML. It's an amazing experience to learn about the impact that technologies provide in our local communities.
A lot of villages face the problem of water, farming, floods. Maybe we can develop applications to solve this problem. Might be very ambitious for us as students to say that, but nothing is impossible. We can do it.
Developer student clubs around the world have already impacted so many students in their universities and people in their community. The future is bright for the next generation of students.
Wow, that was incredible. Yes, Osama, thank you for presenting this to our members. Hope they have enjoyed it. Have you liked
That's
it?
amazing. Can we have a round of applause?
Yeah, it's awesome. It's awesome.
Okay.
GDSC SNU will never fail to amaze you all. Like I am amazed too. Yeah, it's great. Really.
Actually, one of our team members and one of our students only made this thing, and he will also give a speech today. In a while, you'll get to know him.
And that's also in, I guess, in 1 or 2 days. And at that time also he was sick. So
Yeah.
Yes,
another kudos for him to do that.
it's really very amazing thing. Like
Yes,
I
yes.
also I also want to learn AR after looking this.
Sure, sure.
Yeah.
We will.
And sorry again if there is any technical glitch. We know, we are aware of like the glitch in Teams, and maybe our network may get some a little bit funny, may act sometimes. But yeah, bear with us. I guess we'll have many exciting things coming.
Yeah, we have a lot of things planned, so just let's just wait a little bit.
Um, Teachers again.
Lots of LinkedIn and Instagram IDs I see in chat box. I will paste mine as well. You can follow me on LinkedIn, Instagram, whatever you want. Let me just paste mine.
Same here. I will also post my.
And I'm
I
going
would
to
like,
post
yeah.
in GDSC's link as well. Let me try once.
You can also post the Instagram link of GDSC as well, Kanika.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So like we would also like to have some of your intros maybe in the chat. Uh, is Saurabh sir here? Is Saurabh sir here? Or uh,
Yes, I guess sir is here.
okay, okay, give sir the permission for.
No, sorry, it's my mistake. Sir is not yet in the meeting.
Okay, no issues, no issues. You people continue.
Okay, so I guess teachers are not there right now. Then can I start that slide event? Um, Pramodi?
Yeah, maybe. Okay. So people, would you like to like introduce yourself to us to chat? Otherwise, then we'll move on to our mini Slido session before we go into the core event. Until then, let me get in touch with our special guests once again. Yeah, don't be shy, man. We're Most of us are introverts here. Biggest example is me, mostly. I mean, there are a lot of folks who are handling this event very closely, but like not very vocal. So we're also expecting some from you. Otherwise, confidence गिर जाता है भाई साहब.
Yes.
Please.
Okay. Previous man, then the
Okay.
The slide over.
I guess everyone
Yeah, yeah.
most of the
it's
people. So maybe a slider event will help them because yeah. So okay. Messages flowing.
Shubhodaya from first year, Arunima. Yeah,
So,
okay. Borrow from CSP's first year, alright.
Ananya, nice to meet you. Tuhin, also nice to meet you.
I think we have met a lot of people from here already.
Yes, actually,
so
on in our
Kaninika was saying, okay, what Kaninika? There is something on your dress, I guess. Is there?
If you want to point out my dress, you have to turn on your mic. Sorry, turn on your camera.
Oh boy.
Okay, so I actually made my own handmade swag because Shomodita didn't give me swags. So I had to
Sad,
make swag.
but yes, I got Google Swag by participating 30 days of Google Cloud. This is my swag. This uh,
Okay, Shama ke daini. I had to customize my own. Like,
nice, but yeah, your idea is also nice. Like you made a
हाँ
DIY.
यहाँ पे बहुत नेपोटिज्म चलता है यहाँ पे बहुत नेपोटिज्म होता है
well, did first year say anything about nepotism? Oh, call it.
yeah
Sure.
I guess GDSC में बहुत नेपोटिज्म होता है
No, actually, that's not the truth.
और
I'm just kidding. I didn't. I was too lazy to participate, so I didn't participate, and that's why I didn't get my swag back then.
But you will get the opportunities.
so
Actually, maximum
yeah
people will get.
can, can you see me can you guys see me
No, we cannot
No,
see you.
no, no. You are invisible.
this OS permissions let me fix the permissions
Okay.
Hey
Wait.
everyone, I'm Ankona from CSC first year, section B. It's really nice to meet you all. Google is my love, and so here I am. Google is my love too. I really love Google, and I really love Sundar Pichai.
Is it so? Is it so?
Wow.
Or so why? Like why you are fond of Google? Can you please say me something about Google? Why you are so fond of Google?
I just love it. There's when you love something, you shouldn't
Can you see me
reason
now
it facts.
John Cena? Who is John Cena here? That's it.
Shobodam invisible. Shobodam invisible. I am Koena Mondol, CSC first year. Nice to meet you all. अपन को तो अपन गूगल बना है to get a job there long now. Google is one tap solution. दीदी को गूगल में प्लेसमेंट चाहिए इसीलिए yes obviously I do. And the only person who can give me a job at Google is Shomodip. I know that very well. That's why I joined GDSC.
Actually, we want to nurture ourselves, like future projects and all. That's why that is our main motto. Actually, means my motto is that to participate, to contribute in future projects, and then build up my CV as well. So
We will get to know about that a little later, but first let us, I guess, Somodita, Slido.
slide in, please.
Hmm. On the way.
Oh, actually, we have our GDSC faculty advisor, Swarup sir, here. So at first, I would like to request our GDSC um, uh, faculty to say some words. Mm. Hello, sir. Are you audible?
Yeah, I'm audible.
Thank you.
Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
good afternoon, good evening, everybody. It's now 5:30. So thank you very much. Mm,
Yes, sir.
I'm
Yes, sir.
yeah, Somodip Pari here. Full team is present here, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So very first, I am very honored
Yes.
and privileged to get this opportunity. Okay, as a faculty advisor in Google Developer Student Club. Um, So basically, this is our proud movement. Okay, in India, few institute have this Google Student Club chapter, and and one of the in SNU, where I mean new university, or open this chapter. So I thank very first. I want to thank very much full team of GDSC. Somadeep is the leader, and I also proud. I feel I am very much proud to the Somadeep. Okay, after 6 months of his enormous effort, ultimately we got this chapter at SNU. So I encourage junior to participate positively. Okay, in this chapter. So I mean, it is not easy task. Okay, you have to pass some screening process. And another things, I encourage you. So basically, every people has a is own path. Basically, ambition depends on it, but it's very person to person. So it is not always to be a coder, good coder, not mandatory. Okay. If you are interested in code, okay, no issue. If you don't have any interest in code, a little bit phobia on code, okay, there are many things are there. I mean, artificial intelligence are there, design there. If you are interested, write some blog. Okay, blog writing is there. So my request all junior, first year students. Okay, so very first find out your path. What you is will be your ambitions after 3 years? What you want to be? Focus on that. Discover yourself. Very first, discover yourself. Okay, and get concentrate about this. Basically, the market scenario is very competitive. Okay, so when we pass, we graduate after 10 years ago, and right now scenario is totally different. Okay, remember, technology, all business system or all things on society change due to some the technology. Now go back 10 years or 15 years ago. Okay, the technology and right now technology are different. So all socio-economic system will be depends on the technology. So right now all scenarios has been changed. So now next 10 to 15 years, okay, so then another technology development, okay, another era will be technology, or era of technology will be there. Okay, so very first, if you want to, obviously all people are careeristic, career oriented, because you are choosing a technical education. Okay, and right now engineering is different, technology dependent engineering, computer science and engineering, and all are related to computer science. Okay, so 20 years ago, mechanical engineer, electrical engineer, that was the engineering part. Right now, electrical people should also know the some computer programming or artificial system. So this is the way, due to the technology, all scenario are changed. So my request, all first year students, approximately 300, we have 300 students. So not only the GDSC, many chapters are there. I am very much lucky, okay, to open some chapters, okay, and I am also faculty advisor for chapter, and one is the most prestigious chapter is the GDSC. That's all. So thank you once again. I want to full team of GDSC. Okay, some second year students are there, final year students are there, and after 6 months, this will be changed. New students will come. Okay, you will be the members of there. So find out your path. Okay, so if you are failed to type the member in GDSC, we have many other chapters. Okay, try out. So I request everyone should member at least one chapter. Okay, so and thank you. So that's from my end. Continue.
Thank you, sir, for your support and as well as sharing your valuable feedback. So now, Shomudita, can you please give the Slido event? I guess our two guests are not yet came. Hello, Kaninika. Am I audible?
Uh,
I think registrar sir is here.
Okay, okay. I can't see him. That's why. Sorry.
Oh no, no, actually he's not. My bad.
okay.
He is actually not yet there. Sorry, sorry, sorry.
Ah,
Let's go for the slide event and let's try to answer a few questions together. All right. So
Uh-huh.
everyone asking questions about GDSC, we are noting it down and we will answer everything at the end of the session. So please stick with us. And meanwhile, Shomodi, please tell them how to do this because I think most of them don't know. So,
yes, yes.
yeah, yeah, we will answer all your queries. Just please stick with us till the end of the event. We will
Yeah. So
tell.
I'll be answering live on the chat also when in get. Otherwise, we are also collecting your questions and we will be answering at the end.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So yeah, continue.
Hello.
Udirke, just tell them how to do this. They don't know what to do. Yeah.
Oh, I give present it on the screen. That
Link
Yes.
is
Slido card.
everyone. Please see the link is given in chat box. So what you gotta do is click the link.
Chat box of these. Okay, okay.
Okay.
The link is
I
given.
I guess the Slido screen can be presented on the screen also. Maybe Slido thing.
Yeah, yeah.
Hello, people. Am I visible?
Not yet.
Okay.
Yes. Well,
Yay. Hello.
Um,
So, yeah, I am a pretty terrible state right now. I don't know how to interact with you all. So I do not even have a chair to sit. So I am literally standing. So yeah. So hi everyone. Let's play a little bit of Slido. Uh, just don't get angry with us if I miss up a little. If we miss up a little, uh,
It's
yeah,
already
we have planned
30
it at home,
minutes.
but still we have faced a lot of like last minute changes and like last minute issues. Yeah, so sorry for that.
sorry from our side. How so many people are joining. Good to see everyone is joining.
There's
Oh,
already 118 people there.
yes.
Hmm. More. We'll start at
Are you guys
1:50.
enjoying so far?
177 people are there in our meeting and one.
Wait, let's wait for another 2 minutes. Maybe. And sorry for this kind of like ears and all. I just literally joined running. It is raining pretty heavily here. So yeah. Hi unknown source. Uh,
Understand whether I am able to join or not.
the-
Hello, Poena, you are in the meeting. That's why
No,
you
she's
can.
talking about Slido.
Oh,
I'm
okay,
from
okay.
actually. Hi Ochishman.
Where are you from?
দাঁড়িয়ে আছি কারণ চেয়ার নেই মানে বসার কিছু নেই
Slido, go to the page, I linked, join with this link and just give your name and enter.
Yes, yes.
Secular Chris, where are you from? Kushal, we'll just wait for 1 minute more and then we'll start. We just there's 170 people and 120 has joined. We're just waiting for the rest of the people to figure out how to do it
I
because
want to know. I want to know who is this Ice here. Like the name is pretty much
which
interesting. Like Ice. Okay.
ice.
Yes, I can see Ice. Then unknown source and
What? Oh, acha, okay.
someone is LKKJ.
Send me the link once again. Yeah, sure.
Oh, Ice is Nafisa. Okay, okay. That's a pretty cool name. Ice.
Join fast will start at 1:40,
Yes.
1:32. Are you audible?
Hardly noticed.
Shishu.
The
Oh,
weird name is entering. It's funny though, right? Like so
Okay,
many.
so
You,
let's
yeah.
start the slide, or maybe we're waiting
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's start
for
this.
long. Yeah. So are you excited for the college opening? I'm a little excited because I'll get to meet you. Maybe. So
Same, same
uh,
here.
uh,
I'm also excited to meet you all. Yes, from my side as well.
okay. So let's see what are the answers. Okay,
80.
80% of people are
Wow,
like
wow.
they want to go to visit their college. বলে বসে চলে আসবো তাহলে তাহলে how will we conduct the event, man? So,
What
okay,
will
what
the
will be the
first
first
thing
thing you will do
is
after
of
opening the college?
Go to Melbourne Cafe.
No, man, that is
My
very
money
pricey.
back.
I do not have any money. I have what
I
I
want to
have.
meet
I
my
will meet
friend.
my friends maybe. Okay,
Oh, 63.
Melbourne Cafe will generate some revenue, I
22.
guess.
Okay,
Okay.
I have like 22% of people to go to Melbourne with now. That's good.
Please invite us as well. But we do.
Yeah.
I didn't get a job at Google yet. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Okay.
GDSCs are famous for giving out pizzas, but that totally depends upon how prominent our club is. So if we work hard and we have our own standing, then people will essentially sponsor us. Who will sponsor us? Maybe some NGOs, companies, and various other like who make developer tooling and all those companies. They give us like money to conduct events and like facilitate all of the students. So that will be really great when we go back to our campus.
Free
That
pizza.
So it was nice. Okay.
Nivedita is saying that যাবো ছবি তুলবো ক্যাফেতে বসে আর চলে আসবো. Oh, that's a good idea.
You want more such
Yeah,
events?
but offline.
Yeah. Do you
Do you
want
want
more
more such events?
Yeah,
offline, online? Yes, yes, we want.
free pizza for everyone.
Yes, 52% people saying
I want
52
yes.
plus
Yes.
34%.
50%.
I
Yeah.
don't know how this
I
What
want
percentage
to
about
be the
works.
50% who said no. You're on my hit list now.
what about 15%? Like,
Okay, sorry, man, for
sorry,
whatever
sorry. Yes.
the fault uh, we are making from our side because yeah, I have already mentioned the hurdles we're currently facing, and I guess Somendu's dad is also sick, so I don't know if he is here now or not. So yeah.
And
Okay,
not just
sad.
pizza, free pizza.
Yes. Free pizza.
Chilling in Melbourne with 68 plus 1. Part of GDSC.
Oh, with Coke. You missed the Coke one.
So glad to hear, Somendu.
Yes. Sad, sad to hear that.
With Coke.
Are you interested about it? Yeah, hell yeah.
Somebody said no.
Yeah,
Nah.
so that is
But
pretty normal because they do not I mean 100% know what DSC is, right?
yes, yes.
So
Yeah, sure. Free biryani will also do.
Okay, we are noting down all the things which you are talking about, like biryani, then coke, then pizza.
it
We
is
are
making me hungry.
noting-
So, okay. I guess we should also put our community guidelines, right? Please do not violate this. Do anything, but do not violate our community guidelines, which is located at developer.google.com/community/guidelines. So I will also paste the link. for our guidelines page. Just a
What's
formality. We
the
have to. Yeah, what's your opinion about the future of GDSC, which will be introducing soon? Will you participate? Okay. I'm too lazy for projects. Okay, that's good. Uh, okay.
Okay. Sondika is the
Wow.
first person. Wow, 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 wow. Nice one. Then
Soborno, Sakshi,
Sakshi,
Omkita, Sohag.
Ankita, Swagdisha, first. Okay, congratulations.
All.
Ooh.
Top 5-1. Congratulations.
Oh, sir, don't say this sad stuff called salad, man. Please don't. Please don't put this sad stuff.
What
Sa-
salad?
what salad? Yeah. Chicken
Just
salad will be okay, but full veg, nah, from my side. It's too boring.
We can talk about food later.
okay. So we're at 5:49. Cool. Okay. So let's interact a bit more with the chat. I will just make a quick call to our guests. Okay.
Yeah,
Till then,
sure.
till then, please participants, do a little bit of gossip with our hosts. I'll be back in 1 or 2 minutes.
Always,
And we haven't even got into the core stuff yet. So that
yeah, we haven't
we're
yet.
still reserving that for
This
for
was
the
still
people
being
who really put the effort. Yeah, we're tasting your patience too, because
right,
doing a large project
but
requires your
this
patience. The result
competition.
will come out at the very
Yeah,
beginning. So
this competition doesn't have any prize, so you don't need to worry if you join GDSC. Even if you lost this competition, irrespective of that, we will give you pizza.
Nice one. Right. पिज्जा के लिए सब कुछ
Look at everything. Look at the competition. Sheila. I'm sure about chicken salad dripping with white sauce. Okay.
okay.
Basically, no use winning. We won't treat in your tier. Why? আমার জয় জয়কার হচ্ছে
Okay, so let's proceed. Like
I think Shomadita went to make a call.
yes,
yes, our register sir will be joining any moment. So yeah, you guys can also ask him any stuff you want. Actually,
yes. You can also
Solar Pressure
chat with
wants how to join GDSC.
us.
I think he made his way up there. He had a tough time because at that point of time there wasn't GDSC, but he gave us all an opportunity because he didn't have one. T-shirt আছে. No swags for winners. Karanika di jai ho. Why? Why?
Don't
I
spend delicious food items. My mouth will like मैं पानी पानी हो गई हो. We are maximum time we are hungry actually, right? So whenever we hear delicious food and like my mouth is like, oh, give me that. We want to eat.
yeah, you all will get T-shirts. Join
okay.
GDSC, attend, like do some complete sub challenges, and definitely you'll get T-shirts. Don't be like me. Don't be
Oh,
lazy.
here
Haha.
somebody
You have to make your own
gave
swags
us
like this.
pizza. Yeah, pizza.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So our guests will be coming in any moment. But before that, let's get let's summarize GDSC. Let me summarize GDSC. Okay. So that will be really helpful for you. And if somebody is in a hurry, they will also get the full taste of the event. I actually not the full test, but the dry part of it, the core part of it. So yeah. So let me and Mosumi Kanika and other co-hosts, please, if Suman sir or Mosumi ma'am joins, please give them the presenter permission manual. Okay.
Sure, sure.
Okay. Cool. So yeah. So I will take just 10 boring minutes from you. Though I haven't counted it yet. It may cross, but let's take a risk. Okay, so I do not have any kind of like, not even a speech draft because, as I said, I was outside, and yeah, so let's just give a shot. And okay, so I will try to share my screen. Uh, okay, am I visible and is my screen visible?
Yes, all the things.
Both of
Like
the things are
you and
visible.
your
Yes, yes, yes. Let's
Yeah,
get started.
cool. So, first of all, welcome to our introduction. Thank you for coming. Thank you for joining this event, despite of the hurdles we have faced, and in this weird time, in almost at the end of the pandemic. But yeah, so you haven't met your college yet, and you are attending this sorts of clubs. That is pretty amazing. You guys are doing really fantastic. And so till now, I have spoken a lot, but I haven't formally introduced myself. So I am Shomati Mondal. I am from CSBS third year student here at Sister Nivedita University. I am a GDSC lead. I am also I use the username as unsuitable001. If you can find any social media, including Discord, be it GitHub, Twitter, or anything, you will find me as unsuitable001. And and like kind of that's my virtual identity. If you find unsuitable001 there, that is probably me. So okay, so I am a GDSC lead, and I am currently an software engineer intern at Beta Data Singapore, and also I am a Google Summer of Code participant, or you can call it as a student developer at the Dart team of Google Denmark. So that summarizes the technical bits of me, but uh, I am naturally a, what can I say, an introvert person. So some of my classmates are here. They will tell you better maybe in this case. Yeah. So if I tell about my journey, so I belong from a government school, West Bengal government school. So you know how computer education is there. The computer education haven't penetrated that well in those kinds of school. So I started from there. Initially, though I had computer science as a subject at my school, I was not doing a lot of code. Many of you are exposed to coding, this kind of coding culture since maybe class 8 or 9. But I exposed myself at the very end of like class 12. Then like with the help of my peers and the teachers, I got to the stage where I am. So thank you everyone who have helped me. And from the technical side to leading a GDSC was a heck of a journey actually. So I still remember the like the end of my first semester. Me, Ranojit, and Shagoto was in a event. It was like a cybersecurity event at our campus, and we were asked to like present something to a huge audience who were present in the in our seminar hall. So I was so scared that I have even uttered not a single word. So everything was handled by Shagota and Anuji. And from that stage to this stage, it was a journey. So hello, and as many of you guys know, I was having French bread in my mouth. That means apparently French bread is called pain, or not actually pronounced pain, but it is spelled as pain. Yeah. So after that, let's know all about Google Developer Students Club, Nivedita University. So yeah, well, I am just stopping my screen right now for a moment just to check on that our guests are here or not. Hosts, are our guests here? Hello, hosts.
Yes, accepted.
Hello. Yeah.
Yes. So, uh, okay, give me a second. Sorry for the uh, interruption. Actually,
No, guests are not here yet.
okay. Uh, uh, okay. 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 So, let me resume. Let me resume. I guess. But do interrupt me if you get stuck there. Okay. So, let's talk about Google Developer Students Club system with the university. So, what GDSC is, man? So, it is actually run by a rookie team in community building, apparently. So, none of us have much experience in running a community and all of this. You have probably observed this, right? So, you may not have seen Kaninika or Mosumi or Utkarsh, Tamim, and Osama, maybe any of us that much in a public space that much. So it is run by a rookie team, and it is built by everyone. So from web developers to writers, we are very agile, very flexible, and like very diverse, I would say. So there were developers and web developers. Kanika is a writer, and there are people who are like more of a, like project manager, video editors, and all sort of stuff. And GDC SNU is made of culture. We value culture a lot more. It is one of our core values here, and I'm glad and I'm thankful to my team that we are successful to build this culture. We're also bootstrapping 4 projects across domains. One is our like homepage, that is like a long running project. Apart from that, we have Koala Draw, we have A10 Dance, and GCP Track. 3 more projects which we have bootstrapped. Then we also have held 7 events, and we are also co-hosting a nationwide contest called Winter of Code, along with Triple IT Kalyani and 10 other GDSCs with a partnership of 30 other GDSCs. And that's also just having 381 members. We are currently 381 members rich, actually. Actually, more than that. Maybe when I drafted this PPT, it was 381. I hope it actually crossed 400, I guess. And you know what? GDSC SNU just born 2.5 months ago. So how amazing this is. What do you think? Just drop your thoughts in the chat. So here is another fun. So standing on a giant shoulder is easy. Yeah. So there is somebody who is backing you up. But when you like starting from very zero, very bottom, then you go like me, what doing, man? What I'm doing? I don't know. I'm just clueless. What to do? What's the next step? So there are a lot of confusion actually. So building from scratch is hard actually. So we're till now we're still fighting with it. Still fighting with it. We're still maybe we have moved from 0 to 1, but we're not. We are targeting to exceed 100. But that's all fine. But what do you do and how do you do it? That is a pretty genuine question. And just like our mascot here, I sometimes get clueless that how we are doing this actually. I am running, the team is actually consists of 20 members, 20 or 25 members, I guess, currently. So it is a pretty heavy team. Maybe it is the largest team in the university itself. So how are you managing all this? And And for that, we have to set some proper goals for the organizations. Well, less of a like a chapter or a club that is targeted towards a specific product or a specific technology, but more of an organization who have a lot of aspects to cover. So, what we target to be?
Okay, Shomodip,
Yeah.
our register cell is here. So can we just pause here? Hello?
Okay. Hello. Can you have you given him the permission?
Wait.
He has the presenter's permission already given.
Okay. Let's give sir 10 more minutes to like listen to our PPT maybe. So, hello sir, thanks for
Hello,
joining.
sir. Thanks for joining.
So, what you are targeting? What you target to be? We're targeting to be a peer learning hub, where we can like get together and learn stuff from each other. Because let's admit, we're not perfect. Uh, all of us lack something, and all of us know something else. We like to discover like something more than others. So why not we just connect with each other, like form a mesh kind of architecture and share our knowledge. So we may develop something bigger than we have ever imagined. And there is another target, like solve one major local problem within the next 2 years. It is the goal of our organization. Then we're also trying to be a launchpad. Launchpad of what? Launchpad of the new things that our campus brain may generate. See, we all have crazy ideas, but you need a platform to actually launch the stuff. So you want to be that thing also. We want to create out of the box thinkers. I know these routine things and these scheduled things limit our potentials sometimes. Not always. Sometimes it helps us to organize the stuff, but sometimes it also limits us. So we'll encourage people to think out of the box and get the support. Maybe you propose me some ideas and I will also jump into the journey with you. And also the potential to take risks. Some of us like really fear a lot. Like, should I take the risks or not? But we're like young blood, so we should take the risks maybe. And if we get some peers with us, maybe we'll feel a bit more confident, and also will be it will be a lot of fun, and yeah, and we are targeting to spread across various domains also. And we're also trying to cultivate an innovator culture here. So everyone can ideate, share ideas, and innovate stuff. And that brings us to our 3I principle. I don't know it is made by somebody or not. I just written it this morning. So we're targeting, we're completely following these three things: integrity, introspection, and innovation. We embrace this stuff. So we'll keep the club's integrity and integrity to our peers and to ourselves also. What we say is what we mean. We like to be straightforward. We like to be what we actually mean. Introspection, like not always we're right. sometimes we have to look into ourselves to assess it, to see to a topic, to like have a view of a topic without that bias level we have inside us. And also the innovation part. If we actually maintain the integrity and the introspection properly, we will encounter a lot of ideas that will invoke that innovator mind of us. And the intersection of all of this forms what GDSC is. And we achieve using various feedback cycles that we have internally and listening to everyone, whoever you are. You are an internal member, then it's also fine. You are a normal member, then it's also we are listening to you. That's why all of our voice channels, almost even our meeting channels also, are in public. So we can drop into that and share your thoughts. Listen to our meetings. There are no closed door meetings happening here. And being open to say no. If somebody is saying something and you disagree with it, disagree. Not just like disagree, but like share your opinions, share why you are disagreeing. Then we may find a mutual ground or maybe develop even better solution. We are trying to democratize our every step that we do at Google Developer Student Clubs, Nivedita University. So just to be clear, there are no routines, no syllabus. Just do whatever you like. We're here to explore, to take risks, and to be a better version of us, actually. So GDSC SNU is built to unlock you. So before I go to very core stuff, I have given a little bit of perspective on the GDSC itself, on the organization perspective. I will continue this slide from here after I listen from our guests, actually. So, hello, sir. So our registrar sir is here, Shuman Chatterjee, sir. So I will request him to share his valuable insights with us, with the audience we have. Hello, sir. Maybe we have bored you we have stayed you on hold for so long.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir. You are audible.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are.
I don't know how valuable are my insights, but I'm sure that at SNU, and especially um, the School of Engineering, Science, these are basically schools which belong to ignited minds. I have seen students from the school do things that many students would from other institutions would really envy, that such things happen. And this Google Developer Clubs, yeah, this is something that I really look forward to. Shomodeep and your entire team of students who are taking this forward, our best wishes, our all help that you require from us will always be there with you. See, students, one of the most important thing is you have come here for 4 years of your undergraduate studies, or maybe 2 years for your postgraduate study. But during this time, do not only concentrate on studies, because these books, the class notes, they'll help you a little bit. Teachers, they'll be your guide. But ultimately, it's you who have to flourish in your life. I don't know how many of you have heard about International Collegiate Programming Contest, in short known as ICPC. Once upon a time, it was run by ACM, and it was known as ACM ICPC, and IBM used to sponsor that. It's known as Olympics of Coding. Okay, very few. First of all, students from the East, they qualify and go to the final rounds. And trust me, India has never bagged a medal in this ICPC when it comes to the international contest. So what I'm trying to say is, please do not get afraid of doing things. I was just going through what Shomodi was showing in his presentation. There are many things that you can do. There are many things that you can learn and then apply it, and then do mind-blowing things. Don't hesitate to do that. Coding is not that difficult. Coding is not that uninteresting. Coding is interesting, and if you once you start doing it, you'll start loving it. There are many things that you have to have while you take up coding, and the most important thing that you should have is a very sound logic and a very and a tremendous uh, urge or intent to finish the problem uh, and then finish the coding. So what actually you should know is that whenever you are developing such clubs and inviting friends, so try to be a little bit more collaborative while doing, taking up these efforts. That will really help you. And I really, in fact, all of my colleagues really look forward to having good coders, successful coders from these teams who should not only be successful in the university contests, but also various national and international contests. We look forward to that. Whatever help, whatever support you require, your registrar, your vice chancellor, your chancellor stands up to that, and they'll be beside you. Just let us know what help you require. Your faculty members, the other experts who you'd like to have, so they'll be there. I understood that you guys have tremendous potential. While just lockdown happened, in fact, some of your seniors were there in that team. They formed what is known as Code Tigers, and they did a hackathon inviting various colleges and university students across India, and they did it successfully. And it was the hackathon was, in fact, was very successful when Chairman ASCT came, along with vice chancellors of other universities and, of course, friends from the industry. So that's all. I mean, my only thing is my best wishes for you. Just keep it up, and I really want to see good coding, habits develop, and and more collaboratively if you work, you'll get success. That's all, friends. I'll sign off from here, and
Thank you, sir.
wish you all good luck. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your insights.
For
Thank you
sharing
for your best wishes.
valuable feedback as well.
Thank you. Thank you. I'll sign off. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So I would like to request our HOD ma'am to share some words with us.
Good evening. Am I audible clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first of all, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to our Honorable Register Sir for his wonderful speech. Whatever I wanted to say, Sir expressed. I'm very much delighted to have here, to have you all in my team, and I'm very much proud of you all. So you know that this is not only related to your curriculum. One point I want to repeat it again, though Registrar Sir has mentioned it clearly. So this is related to your behind curriculum, no syllabus, no routine. So I like the slide from Shomodip's presentation. So here is no boundary, no fixed syllabus, no your nothing related to your class routine like that. So you are very much free to do what you want to do here. So though I'm very much focused about coding, being a code lovers, you can say. So my focus will be on the coding part. So I will be expecting much more coders from this team. But don't take me otherwise. So you can also you can express yourself by having other qualities too. As far as I know, so this is not only related to coding only. So if you have some other quality, other talents too, so you can also contribute to this club. But Shomodip and your team, so I will be expecting much more efficient coder from your team so that you can make us proud one day. I'll be just expecting and I'm waiting for that day. And so I wish my all the best to you all, and I hope that this is just the beginning of the club, and the junior students, you are also much capable to carry forward this legacy in our department. So I wish my all the best. Go ahead. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much for interacting
So,
with us.
so if I remember about my first semester, so ma'am used to scold me because I was not a very interactive person, and I maybe ma'am will remember that there was already I have talked about this, that there was a presentation.
You are very shy at that time. What I can remember. It took almost 1 or 2 months to understand how efficiently you can code, because you didn't reply in the class. So until and unless you didn't submit the first assignment, I didn't know who are you. And now repeatedly I told you, okay, everything. I'm also looking at your career path. This is very important for us too. That's why I'll be waiting for more efficient coder like you from this class, so that
Thank
our
you.
department, the name of our department, can be flourished.
Thank you, ma'am. So I was, as ma'am said, I was pretty shy, and there was an event on our college, and I, along with my two classmates, were there, and I didn't speak even a word. So, yeah, so I got scolded that day also, but I hope she will not scold me today because today I'm
No,
speaking a
no,
lot.
no, not at all.
So,
I was listening your presentation. It was too good. Please
thank
continue.
you. Thank you. So, getting back to the boring part once again, uh, keep your thoughts flowing in the chat though. Okay. So, let us know which technologies we're actually exploring. So there are Android, Flutter, which is used to develop some apps, some mobile apps. Not limited to Android, Flutter is also expanded to like iOS, uh, like all of the Apple devices, Linux, uh, Windows, Mac OS, and even to the web. And there are web technologies which are specialized for web-based tasks, like JavaScript, HTML, CSS. We covered them also. Also, there is cloud, which are powering 90, like almost all of the popular apps today, right now. Netflix is powered by cloud. You going to Instagram, that is powered by cloud. You are attending this meet, this is powered by cloud. And you know what? uh, your all of our login IDs that is at snuniv.ac.in or at snuindia.in, these email IDs, where this all sorts of things are hosted on the cloud. Actually, we use you use G Suite or Microsoft Azure's Active Directory to manage our accounts. So yeah, and there is TensorFlow, which is used for AI and ML tasks, or artificial intelligence and machine learning tasks. Like yeah, then there are AR core or AR, VR and game dev. I guess you have seen the demo, AR demo. We have shown you a little bit before our introduction. So that was an AR thing. And there is cybersecurity also. Do not think that we are limited to these 6 or 7 domains. We're expanding. We're open to everything. Someone wants to write their own kernel, write their own operating system. Welcome to our club. I'll build along with you. There are non-technical fields also. As I have mentioned, GDSC is not a coding club. It is an organization that have a broader goal, that is not only limited to the technical fields. So there are non-technical fields we are also covering. There are technical writing, that is Kainika is also a member of. There is UI UX, there is project management. I know that some of you want to pursue management and this kind of stuff. Like you, this sorts of stuff also happen in DSC, because as we have no boundaries, we will still need some kind of planning. Otherwise, it will be a utter mess, utter chaos. So for that, we'll need a good management skills also. And there are much more that I have not listed here. Then this is too much. How do we then communicate? There are, like, GDSC is massive. How do we even communicate? So we have 3 official communication channels. One is our email ID, that is google.dsc@snuniv.ac.in. You can drop a mail. Mail a drop, nice. Then there is our Discord server, where we love to chat with each other, drop our ideas, do our meetings, and all sorts of stuff. So you can go to discord.gg/this random gibberish thing that hosts or any other co-hosts will paste, and you can also scan the QR code. There is also our website, gdsc-snu.github.io. We just launched version 1 of our club's page. It is very basic, very minimal, but version 2 is the real version is still under planning. Otherwise, you can also go to gdsc.community.dev, which is a Google-owned site. There you can always search for like Sister Nivedita University, and you will get the search result back with our club's name. And if you click there, you will go to a page called gdsc.community.dev/sister-nivedita-university-kolkata. That is the full URL. That's why I haven't written. There you will find all sorts of things that is available to you. Okay. So this brings us to the end of my PPT. This boring 10 minutes. I hope I haven't crossed 10 minutes. Is somebody keeping track of this? So you can let me know how much time I have taken for all of this. I know that the overview of DSC is done this time, but there are some complex things that I haven't disclosed to you, like the club structure. I can present it to you, actually. I will present it to you. But before that, just put your queries in the chat right now. I will try to resolve it meanwhile, but also let's take a quick look that how to be a member. But before that, I want to say, I know it ain't much, but it's actually honest work. So we actually spend some like minimal sleep night despite of our health issues and all. So thank you if you are still listening to us, still listening to me. Thank you, everyone. And yeah, I will encourage you to join our Discord server. And I'll show you a little quick overview that how to be a member, how to actually officially register. I know this is not all. We'll show you live also in the latter part, in the very last maybe on the show. But let's not waste time and show you a little bit of glimpse. So you can like keep a screenshot to yourself and refer it back later. So first, we'll go to this gdsc.community.dev/Nivedita University Kolkata. There you will find this join us button actually. Then you will click this join us button. So there you will see the sign in the Google thing, and there you will choose your account. As I am doing, I was doing it from the admin account. I will just select GDSC now. You will choose yours in your case. After that, if you are registering to our portal for the very first time, you have to fill this extra form where you will be asked for your country, your city, and your time zone, because GDSC is not limited to our country. As Kainika Mosume has already said, we're a global community. So people can join across the globe. So for the time varies from location to location to send you the event details at the correct time and all those stuffs. You have to fill this time zone, city and country properly. And then what you are looking for, that is totally up to you. What you are actually looking from GDSC. You will click those, you will tick your preferred pronoun, you are a male, female, transgender, or you want to specify yourself to something else. We are totally open, we are totally inclusive community. So yeah, all good. Then you have to agree to the terms, the event participation terms, and our code of conduct, and then you will click the sign up. This is for the first timers only. The second timers, the third timers will not face this form. Then we'll go to this part where you will be asked to, if you be a member, then you will be presented with this success screen. Success, you are now a member of this chapter. If you do not see this, you will see, if you see the join us button again, then click the join us button once again. Then you will see the success part. Then, okay, being a member is done. Then how do you even register for an event? How do you register for this event? We have at the last we have understood that some of you may face difficulty to register for our event, so we have circulated the direct link. But this is not the procedure how you should join our future events. There is a procedure to join our future events. What is this? We'll go to the events link that we have shared, that gdsc.community.dev/something written there. That link, you have to visit that link. And you can see for today's event, it is written introduction to GDSC, meet and greet, and the timing information and all of this. And there is a bold text called RSVP for this event now. Availability ends in 10 hours. So you have to click this RSVP. This RSVP means registration. And you can see a bit of the description here, a bit of the topics we may cover. And if you scroll down, you'll find a lot more that I can't fit in this tiny screenshot. There you will get a registering for an event attendee information form. Most of the things will be pre-filled. If you are joining for the first time, you may have to fill this preferred pronoun. I would like to do something in the event, and what are your technical experiences and interests are. But this is for one time only. For the future events, this thing will be auto-filled, but you will be given. Now you have basic knowledge, but after 2 or 3 months, you have become novice or intermediate level. So you should update this. So we'll give you that opportunity also. After that, after your registration is confirmed, you will get to see this RSVP confirmed. One RSVP event link has been created to your email ID. And you will see join the virtual event here. And when you join our event at the event time, you should visit the same registration link and click this join the virtual event here button to actually join here. That's how we actually maintain who are joining our events, how much our participation is, and who are our actual attendees, because this directly gets reported to Google. If you do not join from here, there are no way we can report to them. This platform is totally made by Google. So yeah, these are our policies. So thank you for being with me. Let me move into the chat and let's move forward with the event. I hope you have pasted some of the questions of you, and hope I haven't bored you. I guess. Have I bored you? Have I? You can freely tell that I have bored you.
Someone is asking for the membership link. I have sent in the Discord link and Swarna has to again.
Okay, so
Okay, somebody said yes a little bit.
okay, sorry. Okay. So yeah, I know I didn't have any speech prepared and all, but I would love to see where I messed up and where I did a little garbage. So I can I can improve myself. Right. Otherwise, every event will be boring for you. If you give us a honest feedback, then we will improve. Yeah. So this is our link actually. Okay, let me share my screen once again. Actually, if you visit this link here. Uh, okay, so I am a member. So it is saying you have been a member of this group. Okay. Otherwise, you will see a join us button. I go to the private window and open it here. See, you can see the join us button. Right? If you click there, you will get to sign in. As I am opening in the private window, it is not automatically signing me in. I guess you understand that. And for the event, if I even from here, you can also go to our events. I guess some of your friends have become the featured attendees. Okay. Many of you have become featured attendees. Very nice. You can try this stuff. Some of our organizers you can see here, though this is not the full team, this is like a random selection. So see, I haven't RSVP'd yet. So I am putting the event link also. Yeah. Yeah. Before ending the event, I'm not ending the event here, of course, but before leaving the event, before 7 p.m., please at least click on the RSVP like me. See, this is asking me for the identity information as I have attended this event before. So the form is pre-filled. I will submit, do this thing, and also click here. Okay, join the virtual event. Okay. So we will be directly moved on to the Teams itself. Please do this so your attendance will be recorded. But do it before 7 p.m. because after 7 p.m. you will not be able to do this RSVP thing. I will explain you later why we have this process. But yeah, for now, let's continue with our event, I guess. Okay, so yeah, I can.
I guess
The
now.
attendance part. But go to this thing that gdsc.community.dev/event/details developer student clubs this thing sign in option pachina. If you click on that RSVP thing, you will be directly getting that sign in thing. No issue. Directly কিছু sign in করতে হবে না. If you are not getting it, we'll be addressing all your difficulties at the end of the event. And for the attendance part, what you have to do, you have to go to this events page that I am pasting the link once again. Go there, do RSVP, then click on the join the virtual event and go back to the Teams one again, once again. Okay, then your attendance will be automatically marked. Oh, cool. So hosts, do your honor.
I think enough knowing about
Oh, if you
GDS.
have already done it before, there is no need to do it again. Thank you, Monal. Please. Yeah, continue. Do your honor. Do your honor. Please.
Enough of the boring stuff. I think we will call our members one by one so they can talk a little bit about their teams and also do something else. We'll see.
Do something else. Okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
firstly we will call Doita Shur from cybersecurity.
Hello,
I
Doita.
guess we have to allow Doita, but I think I have done it already, given a permission.
Yeah, Doita is here.
You can see me, right?
Yeah.
Doita.
Yes, you can see.
Hello. So Hello everyone, I'm Nivedita and I'm currently in my second year of my bachelor's degree in computer science and engineering. I love learning about new technologies, but cybersecurity and game development interest me the most. And as you all know, cybersecurity, I am also the team lead of cybersecurity of GDSC SNU. And as you all know, cybersecurity has always been one of the demanding technologies, and it is becoming more and more important every day as everything is becoming online, from shopping to banking to education. So, without it, users of any app or website do not have any data security. So it is equally important to ensure the users that their data is safe and the app or website, safe with the app or website. And I know it is a very tedious job as penetration testers need to always be updated on the newest attacks in order to counterattack black hat hackers or fix a bug. So, as a team lead, I'm currently helping my team members to do a project on SQL injection, and I'm responsible for organizing various events on this technology. So, 5 years ago, I started off as a student who did not know much about coding or any of the latest technologies in this field. Since then, I've come a long way as I can code in Java, C, Python, and also even leading the cybersecurity team in our university. So when I take a break from work, I love playing flute or violin, sometimes dancing, baking, and even sketching. So if you are interested in cybersecurity, I encourage you to join my team. Welcoming you all once again, and thank you for bearing with me throughout my long speech. That's all.
Wow.
Nivedita, will you play flute for us?
Most of you have heard me or saw me playing a song in my flute. So this time I'm going to play a game with you also to make it enjoyable and also fun. So the game is I'll play 2 lines of each song. I'll play 5 songs in total, and you have to guess the song which I'm playing on my flute. So are you up for it?
Oh, and nice idea. I am.
Wow, that's unique. That's what I call an innovative mind. Continue.
Continue.
Okay.
You can write your answers in the chat. Okay.
Yeah, and Konika will be giving you the correct answer as I correct.
Call out the
Yeah.
correct.
Okay, so the first song. So, guess the song. I hope it was not so
Correctly first, পুরানো সেই দিনের কথা. And
Oh.
Ankita, one swag for Ankita. Please keep it in a notepad.
Okay, we are putting down.
Two
Okay,
pizzas for Ankita actually.
Okay, the next song. I'm sorry. Uh, could you understand? I'll play once again if you couldn't. I'm sorry for the disruption.
No
I'll
worries.
play it
These
once
things happen.
again.
Yeah, sure. Don't be nervous.
No, I'm not nervous actually. I had I'm having dust allergy, so from the morning I continued to sneezing and I couldn't play the flute. So.
Oh. Yeah.
I'll play again. Oh yeah.
The correct answer is Anpurna has said it. Bol do na zara. And Rima as well.
इसके लिए भी 2 पिज्जा ठीक है स्विगी वालों को बोल देना
Okay. So the next song I'll be playing.
Again, Ankita has said it first. No, Shobik also said it correctly. Gagan ke tarke.
Yes.
All
so
right.
okay so I like the fact that every time the winner is unique so there is no monopoly so everyone is getting 2 pizzas oh no I have to check my purse actually if I have that much balance
So much pro man and woman here.
continue
Everybody answered it correctly. All right, let's move on to the next one.
Yeah.
Okay, so 2 pizzas for Doel again. Okay, this time also the winner is unique. So I guess after the next song will be unique, like the winner will be unique too.
Okay,
Start.
so this is the last song.
Ankita Panda. Ankita Panda.
I guess Ankita was getting 2 pizzas, right?
Yes.
Before she broke the streak. Nivedita is maybe
Before
a few
Ankita,
milliseconds.
none of Pal said it. Sorry.
So Ankita will get 3 pizzas, and the extra 1 pizzas will be credited to Devdatta because who do not trust me teams eventually. So yeah. Ankita 3, Devdatta 2 pizzas.
Great, thank you for like guessing the songs, and I hope it would it was clear to all.
Have you enjoyed this thing, this sort of stuff? Do you want to continue with this sort of stuff? Dovita, do you have any more songs in your stock? I know you have some
Yeah,
rest.
yeah, I have, but I have to I can play the Puranushi Diner Katha fully, like full song.
Wow. If you do not have breathing problem or anything, as you have mentioned.
Yeah, I can, but sometimes it would be like all blowing air only, so sounds will come. So I can play if it
Do
is
you
not.
want to hear? Audience, do you want to hear it?
Okay,
Yes.
so I'll be playing it.
Okay, so let's have it.
Let's have it.
Wow, that was
Wow, that was
incredible actually.
yes.
Hope we can do it some in an in-person event so we can hear all of the claps actually. The teams doesn't play the clap sound. So yeah, thank you,
Thank you.
Dvaita. Thank you
Thank you.
so
Thank you
much
so
for,
much.
despite of having your health issues, sharing this awesome moment, having this awesome moment with us is a really valuable asset for us that we'll remember for lifelong maybe. Thanks.
Thank you.
And
So,
also the sorry for interruption. Also, we should actually uh, say thanks to Rahul from first year. Yes, the first year. You most of the you folks batchmate. He designed the whole GDSC's Discord server. He has redesigned it all. If you have joined it after I have shown my presentation and all, you have seen this beautiful thing. He has made it all. So can you guys thank him for his wonderful work? And that also he have made this in just 2 days without having almost no clear idea, or I mean very less idea, not no idea, but very less idea about GDSC. How awesome this is. So can we have a round of applause and appreciation for him, for Rahul?
Rahul helped me design my personal server too.
Rahul did well actually.
You can find him at Ryzen, RYZN, at our Discord server.
Oh, Kyusha is.
You guys also here.
Oh,
Hello. Yeah.
hello. So, next, we would like to call our resource team to introduce themselves.
Yeah. So I guess Prachi and Abhineet will come together. Please make sure that they have they have the.
Hi, Abhini.
So I think I am audible to right,
Yes,
Prachi?
yes, yes, you are audible.
Yeah, you are audible. Why
Uh,
did you? The background is so dark.
no, actually, I am with I am on journey, and I have got a little bit of time here. So I'm
So
on the
yeah.
roof of my friend's house, right?
Okay.
Hello,
You
Prachi.
joined us
Hello.
here. That.
So hi everyone.
Hello, Prachi. Hi,
Hello.
Prachi. Hi, Abhineet. Yeah, you guys continue.
Okay. So hello everyone. Myself Vineet from CSBS department, third year.
Hello everyone, myself Prachi from CSPS department second year. We are very glad to be a part of the GDSC SNU and thanks to Google and our team lead to establish such a club in our university.
So let me tell you all about my first day of my college. It was really a wonderful experience to meet new people who are even in part of my life. They are my friends, they are my teachers. So although it is very difficult to get in the new environment, the environment which you get from your school life to college life, but the environment that was set up by the SNU administration made it so easy to go with the flow, to get in the new environment. Coming to my roles in GDSC SNU, I'm under the content team as a resource design team member.
I'm really very happy and thankful to the whole GDSC team for giving me such an opportunity to speak in front of you all. Talking about my journey, I was like you all. I joined this college a year ago, and that time I was not very much familiar about the things related to technology. But day by day, I started learning and exploring something new from my peers, and literally, I'm just enjoying everything and want to learn and explore more.
So now let us tell you what we do in the resource team. We are generally responsible for allocating resources, appropriate one, to multiple projects that we all will be doing as a team.
We are also responsible for collecting learning resources among various domains, helping technical writers, helping domain mentors and leads
course, or presentation contents.
We together work to fulfill the demands coming from every imaginable direction. So, thank you everyone and have a great journey ahead.
Thank you everyone for joining this event.
Thank you, Prachi. Thank you, Abhinit, for joining from so far away, and have a really nice journey. Have a really safe journey, actually. And
Oh, thank you. Actually, my train will leave at 11:45.
okay, so we'll be like traveling the whole night, I guess.
Yeah, right, right.
Okay.
Reaching soon, meeting you soon, all soon. Coming to college, yeah.
Wow, that's great, actually. Thank you, Prachi.
So,
Thank you, Abhinit.
Thank you, Prachi. Thank you, Abhinit.
Thank you so
Bye.
much.
Have a safe journey.
Okay,
thank you.
so now let's call Tamim.
The most
Yeah.
creative person of the team and the design lead as well.
Yep.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So let me turn on my camera. And here. So hey there, everyone. My name is Tamim Iqbal, and I'm the final year student at SNU and also the design lead at GDSC SNU. Now, I have been always passionate about creative stuff since the beginning of my college life, but I never got any opportunity to explore the design realm. But the world was struck by a pandemic, and I finally got an opportunity to try out different things other than just coding. Now, that is when I got to know about UI UX designing, and I knew that I had to explore this, and it was probably one of the best decisions that I had taken in my college life. So, that was my creative call. And later, in my final year, I got to work with the design team of GDSC SNU, where I got the opportunity to properly explore this design world. Now, why I joined this club is because I have not seen in any other club that they take designing seriously. But here, no one is defined by their domain. Everyone is always learning something from one another. Now, here we get knowledge from the community, so later we can give it to the community. Now, apart from designing, I also like painting, photography, gaming, watching movies, and reading. Basically, what you call a typical introvert. Now, coming to my team, design team. So, as the design lead, I manage designing tasks ranging from making posters, banners, creating visual assets, helping members with the UI UX of the project they are working on, the video production, etc. Now, why design team? To make a good product, you need two components basically development and design. Design is basically how the people see the product in the world. So it's very important. And here at the design team, our job is to make the second part really strong. Here, all the teams are codependent on each other and we are working together. So if any teams need any visual asset made or any feedback on their design, they would reach to us and ask for our feedback. Moving on to the finally, the projects we are working on is right now the UI UX part of the GDSC website and the user interface or a few more web apps which Shomodeep has said about earlier. Now, if you feel a bit ambiguous about development and even have a little bit of creative interest and you want to explore this design world more, I would recommend you giving this a try. Finally, if you want to reach me out, you can just contact me directly on our GDSC Discord, and that's all about me. Uh, Now I think my team will be there.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I
Uh,
come.
so, uh,
Yeah, I think now I'll introduce my team with you all. So yeah, hold on.
All right, I think next it's Shorit. So, yeah.
Hi everyone. So I am Sarit Roy, and I am also from the first year and as well as a batchmate of the meme. So from the first time only, or from the junior sections, I have an fascination for drawings, for arts, and after this, when it grew up, adding up some technology ideas in this designing team or in designing. So I got inspired. Frankly speaking, I got inspired from Tamim. As on the first year, he had shown me how to create a new form that is very common to us is digital art. So if I combine this digital art and technology, and all this together is the responsibility of the designing team. In our designing team, we have one proverb, or we can say one wordings, that we the designers is not the one what we see, but actually we are the one to make others actually feel, or to make the ideas that everyone can see what we are actually making, or it's upon the audience that what they see. So frankly speaking about this designing team, as said by our respected HOD Moshe ma'am and as well as Shaumudip, that in this GDSC, it's not about coding, or it's not about fully technological. You can also give a part, or you can also submit as the designing team, and we the team as a designer contributes to the interface or to the designing look of these applications, or to any developments that we are going to do as a Google developer students club. And so frankly speaking, this is up to us. Thank you.
Thank you, Surit. Now,
Thank you.
Swarna, over to you.
So, hello guys. Hope you all are doing well. So, I'm Swarnaja from CSE department second year, and I'm one of the graphics designer of this team. As Sarita and all the dadas have told, like what we work here and how is the culture here and what we focus on and how the actual graphics team is running with the help of other team like content team and all the other team members. So here my intro part is done. So I would like to tell something about my coding journey. So I have started my coding journey 5 years ago, and from there I have done many mistakes and learned a lot from that journey. And now I can code in Java, C and C++, and a little bit in Python. And I'm still new in Python. And and it's been a long journey. And currently I'm 4-star at CodeChef. And recently I have started web dev, and it is like it's going on, so there is nothing much to tell about that. And I'm always interested in new emerging technologies. Apart from that, you all have heard about open source contribution a lot. So when I was in my second year of college, no, sorry, means I was in second semester of my college, then I have started my open source contribution with the help of our seniors like Shaumyadeep. That helped me a lot with that open source contribution. He guided me a lot. And I have started, like I was not pro in any such things like web dev or any coding at that time. So I have started my open source contribution journey in UI designing and in GWalk. And at that time, Shaumyadeepta helped me a lot and many other seniors too. So I hope they will help you guys too. And I'm also there. And that's all. That's all about me. Hope you all are not bored. And thank you, झेलने के लिए इतना देर. Thank you.
Swarna.
Thank you, Swarna.
Next we have Priya.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
Yes.
Yeah. So, okay. So, hello guys. So before giving my speech and like introducing myself, I want to give a quote. Firstly, that is, digital design is like painting, except the paint never dries. And also, like, design is not just what it looks like and feels like. Design is how it works. So, hey there, this is Priya Mondol, BTech undergrad pursuing computer science engineering, and I'm currently in my third year. And I believe in the power of elegant minimalism and curating user experiences. And I chose UI UX design as my profession. So uh, let's talk something about my journey. So my journey started after I entered my college. I started networking with a lot of people from different backgrounds, colleges, and started exploring what the technology field is all about. Um, Basically, from my childhood, sketching and painting had been my hobby. And then I thought, why not to explore the creative and the user usability, or maybe you can say the user experience part of the tech world. So I started exploring, took various courses, took some time to groom myself on this field, and I landed my first internship and my first job in the same startup, which is currently based in Kolkata. And along with that, I was also curious about the freelancing path, and I started exploring and knowing about it as well. And I found it pretty interesting, as I will be able to work from home. And until date, I have like closed 12 plus clients. I'm really proud of that. I know it's really small in number, but still. Uh, and I look forward to increase my skill sets and to brush myself, to groom myself more on this field, to be able to work with more clients and with better and great organizations, and to bring some kind of impact on the digital services. So in GDSC, I performed the role as a graphic designer, and I, along with all my teammates, which like you know already, create all the graphics part for any events, any social media post, and basically all the branding things which are required for the community. And besides my professional life, as I said you earlier, I do sketching, painting, and also journaling and singing as like in my pastime. They are basically my hobbies, and I believe that everyone should include like 3 hobbies in their lifestyle routines, as hobbies serve a great way to heal or calm down and relax your mind in the digital era. So that's about something like about me and my introduction. And if you're interested in the design part, in designing and in the user experience part of this tech world, so do join in our GDSC community, and we all will help you to like uh, in this journey of design field. Yeah. So thank you.
All right, I think we have some really nice drawings and drawings to show to everyone. So can you please?
Yeah, like from our like graphics team members.
Graphics
Yes.
Yeah, we have a lot of
Yeah.
talented
Yes.
people here who have shared their artwork. Let's have a look at them now.
Okay, let's have a look. Wow.
This
If
was Moshumi.
This is mine, really.
This one too by Moshumi.
These
Again,
are in the series. This is all review by myself. Let us let us know how it is.
okay, people are loving it. Again by Moshumi.
Thank you so much, guys.
Okay. This one is so cute.
Thank you, Kaninita.
Wow. Okay. Next
And
we invite
just
Priya. Oh wow.
awesome. The detailings are too good, right?
Yes. Oh wow, this is very nice.
Awesome. Mind blowing. These all are mind blowing.
Oh
Wow.
wow.
The detailing. Oh my God.
Oh wow.
These artworks are so nice. Like
Looks just real, really.
now, one of our designer team. Wow, excellent. Digital art. Nice. Too good. Wow, 3D illustration. Wow, wow.
Oh wow.
Wonderful, wonderful. And now this is
I guess,
our
First year
yeah.
students.
Wow, this is from first year. It's really
Yeah.
nice. People see you.
Oh wow.
Probably your classmate.
hello Devdatta. Uh, hello, are you audible?
Do Devdatta even have permission? I guess.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's give her the permission.
That was an amazing session of art. Uh,
I gave her the access. Devdatta, can you hear me? Hello?
I think she must be facing some glitches. Okay,
Okay,
okay.
you can actually speak. You can actually unmute your mic. We have given you the permission. Devdatta.
Yes, yes. I have given you the permission. You can turn on the mic.
And the camera also, if you want.
Yes, yes, of course. If you want, you can also turn on your camera as well.
And if you're facing any glitch, we will.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello,
Hello.
hello, hello. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Thanks for giving your amazing artworks. We really liked it.
Thank you
So,
so much. Thank you
could
so
you
much.
please give us your intro? Like,
Yeah, of course. So hello everyone. I'm Nivedita Roy Chaudhary from first year BTech CC department. I have done my schooling from Motamgam Girls High School. And about me, I would like to say that I believe in humanity and equality. And about my hobbies, I love to draw, I love to paint, and I love to sketch. And one of the best thing I love to do is making idol. So you can say it's my passion. Yeah, painting gives me happiness. It all stays out my like everything. Okay, I'm getting nervous right now. Yeah, thank you. That's all.
All right.
Nice.
Thank you so much, Siddhartha. I think now we will move on to our web dev team. And
Yes.
web dev lead, following his
Yes.
teammates when they introduce themselves. So I would request Ritik to come now, please.
Am I audible?
Sure.
Okay, so Kananika, it was app dev. Okay, so hello everyone. Welcome to Meet and Greet by Google Developer Student Club Sister Nivedita University. My name is Ritik Kumar Singh, and I am your app dev lead at GDSC SNU, and I'm also a third year undergraduate student in BTech Computer Science and Engineering, and I'm also working as an Android developer at Clyzo Solutions Private Limited. So as Soumyadip said, Google Developer Student Club is a huge global community of passionate learners and builders like me and you, who help each other in learning, building, connecting, growing to real life problems with the help of various technologies. So, talking about my experience, my journey, I came to know about Google Developer Group back in my first year when I was back in my second semester. Then I was actually fascinated by the fact that they would hand out free stuffs, pizzas, cokes, right, and swags. But that eventually changed to something else. Then it turned out to be a hunger for like knowledge, because over there we have a lot of people from different technical backgrounds, from different expertise in different technical domains, and they come together and interact with each other and share their ideas, right? And even just listening to that will help you think way better. So what I and my team do at GDSC, we will help you guys to explore and learn the application side of technologies like Android, Flutter, Dart, Kotlin, and many other technologies. Not just by reading theory, okay, also by making real stuff together. Like some of you might have a great app idea, but you might not know how to implement those functionalities or might not be experienced, right? So even in such situations, we will help you to make your app idea into a reality. There are a lot of examples like this TwoMate app, which was developed by GDSC GMR Institute of Technology, and the TravelWise app, which was developed by GDSC IIIT Lucknow. You can look out for these apps on the Play Store, and they have a great amount of downloads and they're really thriving. And maybe someday you might have your app with the help of us, in Play Store getting a huge success. So we are here to help you in your learning process, and we'll try to make your learning process as smooth as possible. And that's it from my side. And if you have any queries or any doubts, feel free to reach out to me or my team on Discord. You will find us on Discord with the tags of team lead or Android or volunteer, and we would love to help you get your queries resolved. So thank you, and that's all from my side.
Thank you, Ritik, for introducing uh, us to the AppDev team and AppDev domain itself. We'll meet the team right now. Okay, cool. Hosts, over to you. Hello, hosts.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, continue.
Hello. Yes. So now we would like to call Pratik Chakraborty, our app dev mentor. So Pratik Chakraborty, over to you.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes.
So, good evening, everyone present here today. Myself, Pratik Chakraborty from Computer Science and Engineering Department, third year. I'm interested in developing Android applications and I love to build them. Here at GDSC, Sister Nivedita University, I have been selected as a mentor for Android application development team. And I would like to help all my juniors to help make them learn how to develop Android applications of their own. Apart from this, I'm also leading the video editing team here at GDSC SNU. So the trailer that you have watched, that was actually made by our team. And also, if you are keen to develop your own Android application, then you are always welcome to our Android development team. So that's all about me. Have a nice evening. Thank you.
Thank you, Pratik. Now I would like to call Ronajit. Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are. Continue.
Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Ronajit. I am from third year CSBS. I'm currently team volunteer for Android development. At start, it seems a bit difficult. It still is, but with all the atmosphere and the constant help from the leads and the peers, it's such an amazing experience. The reason why I joined Google's Developer Students Club is because it is not like other chapters where it only focuses on coding. Here you will basically get to know how to implement the real world solution. I think this chapter is a great boost to start my development career and socialize as well. So yeah, hope to see you soon. Thank you everyone.
All right, thank you so much. Next we have Shubham Bashak.
Hello, I'm audible.
Yes, you are. Okay.
Hello, I'm Shubham Basak from BTech third year. I'm very happy to be a part of GDSC Android App Dev team. Basically, I'm interested in Android app development. But back in the school, I knew that taking CSC is just lines of codes and brainstorming, but it's not like that. It requires a bit of focus and that it will do your job done. But when I knew about the Android app dev team, it's a whole new environment, and you will get to know about the industry oriented knowledge, and it's a bit it's very fun when you will be doing with your seniors. It requires a bit of focus, and it will seem so very interesting, and you will find that your time is not gonna waste. So see you guys soon.
Thank you so much, Shubham.
So now we would like to call AIML team member Orko Chakraborty. Oh, he is the one-man army here, so let's welcome. Hello, Orko.
Hello.
Yes.
Wait a minute. Oh. Am I visible? Okay. Hi, this is Orko Chakraborty from Department of CSE. I love playing games and sometimes I play ukulele, but not professionally too. These are a few of my hobbies. But back in 2020, when I took admission in college, I get to know about some technologies like AR, VR, web dev, and artificial intelligence, and many others. After exploring various things, I found my interest in machine learning, and recently I got an opportunity from GDSC SNU to explore my domain of interest in a better way. So today I'm a team member of GDSC SNU to and from face detection to analyze data, companies are using machine learning algos to get a better understanding to your likes and dislikes. For a very common example, you will be able to notice relevance ads on your social media on your recent activities. For now, I'm only one in my team, and I'm looking forward for interested people to come and join my team. In upcoming days, we will organize some events which will give you a kickstart to your AI/ML journey. So then we can learn, explore, and work on various projects together. So yeah, this is pretty much it from my side. Thank you.
Orko, you said you love playing ukulele, so please play, like strum something. Just strum
Uh,
2 lines
yes,
from any
but
song.
okay. But I'm not that much efficient like Daita and others. So
No, you
I
don't
will
have to.
try.
It's all right.
Don't worry, just do it. Okay. So this is
Yes,
No,
give me some
give me some
answer.
second.
Yes.
That's the right answer. And let's have
Correct answer.
for Orko.
Wonderful.
thank you.
So now I would like to call our technical writer, lead as well as the team member as well. So Kaninika, over to you.
All right. So, hello everyone. As you all know by now that I'm Kananika and I'm a second year CSE student and also a technical writing lead at GDSC SNU. So, before I joined GDSC, I didn't really know anything briefly about technical writing, but I did share a keen interest in tech as well as writing. As the name suggests, technical writing is all about understanding codes and complex technologies and breaking it down in a simpler piece for the targeted audience. As Google says, technical writers are a rare hybrid possessing uncommon mixture of talents. I didn't say this, Google says it. So, my job here is to coordinate with my team member and document different programming products and technologies. Apart from that, pretty much every text that you see up on our social is more or less written by me or my teammate. Also, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm really multi-talented. I'm really multi-talented and I'm a trained vocalist, but please do not ask me to sing today. I have a sore throat. So that was all about me. And next we will call my teammate Tanishka Pandey. She will say a little bit more to you about herself and technical writing as well.
Hello everyone. Could you hear me?
Yes, Tanishka, continue.
Okay, so a very heartiest good evening to one and all present here. So first of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. So I'm Tanishka Pandey and I'm a student of BTech CSC in second year. So let me tell you about my role. My role is as already said by my very loving and my very close friend Kaninika, that we are a team. I'm a technical writer, and she has already given you a brief introduction about what technical writing is. But I'll tell you more about my role. Technical writing is something which teaches you how to write a clear technical documentation, and my responsibility is to prepare a instruction manual and articles, and the main goal is to communicate with our viewers, or all the viewers who are watching our social media handles. They'll get to know that it's very like the complex and the technical information we have to communicate to you in a very easy and in a very smooth way. So as already said by my as I already mentioned, my very supportive and very lovely, very wonderful partner I got, Kaninika. That is none other than Kaninika. So we both have to do our work. Some she does, half of some I do. So now there must be a question like why I chose technical writing. So writing is something which I love to do since childhood, like since my school days. Now you'll say that I used to write essays and that's why I love writing. But no, it's not like that. I always used to love writing, and I'm lucky enough that I got this golden opportunity to be a part of GDSC team and to be a member of the technical writing. Now, let me tell you about my coding. Now, coding is something I love to do. I started doing coding since class 8 or 9, something like that, and I know I'm good at Java, C, and Python. Now, don't think I'm boasting about myself. Not at all. I think I'm very like I'm a baby in this coding language, in this coding yeah, in this coding language thing. And I guess Shomativ Da remembers when he asked me to rate myself. I what I rated, he only knows it. I rated myself 1 star. So he asked me why I rated 1 star. I said that I know I'm a beginner. I'm very new in this coding field. So truly speaking, I feel myself a very beginner, and there are people like Moshmi, Karenika, they know a lot more than me. And okay, so this, and yes, the main part is I'm very delighted that I'm a part of this wonderful institution where I get to learn a lot like AI/ML, cybersecurity, web development, and many more. And as the all the students in the first year who have taken admission, you are really very lucky enough that you're in this wonderful institution where you can pursue your own interest. I got my opportunity to pursue my own interest. Like I have already pursued technical writing, be a member of GDS team. I hope that you also become a member of GDSC team and you also pursue your own like AI/ML or cybersecurity, web development, many things. So I hope I did not bore anyone. Thank you for bearing with me. It was really nice interacting with you. And yes, I hope to see you all soon in our lovely campus. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Tanishka, to share all the information about technical writing as well as what you love about technical writing. So next, I would like to call our near team, team member Utkarsh Shah to say some thoughts. Hello, Utkarsh, are you there?
Thank you, Utkarsh, for the demo, for your introduction, and for teaching AirVR this kind of emerging technology to our crowd in such an interesting way. So, yeah, Moshe, move.
Now, we would like to call our video editing team mate Adarsh Haldar to say something.
Yes, hello everyone. I am Adarsh Haldar. Currently, I am in second year BTech CSC and recently joined in GDSC team. From school level, I had interest in video editing and web development also, and I have a YouTube channel. And I worked as an intern in Flipkart last month and now I am working as a freelancer. And my role in GDSC is video editing, and I am very excited for our upcoming program. Thank you, everyone. Hope to see you guys soon.
Thank you, Adursha.
Thank you, Atusha. Now we would like to call our web dev team member and also our web dev team lead, Osama bin Jr., to say some words about web dev.
Hello,
Hello?
Osama.
Hello.
Okay.
Ah,
All three of you are here.
Hi everyone. Hi.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So it was equal because we are using two computers. So yeah. So this is the web dev team. Okay, this is Sucheta. Oh, sorry. This is Sucheta. This is Prism, and I am Osama Engineer. So we are the web dev team. So if you guys are interested, so join us. We are currently doing the GDSC's official website, and we are also making a project called GCP Track, in which we are trying to gamify this whole 30 days of Google Cloud program. This project is chosen as the Winter of Code project. So if any one of you are interested, join us on the web dev team. We will be happy to help you guys and learn new technologies like React and Node.js.
Yeah.
And I'm also the cloud lead. So if you have any questions related to the cloud, please contact me, because I'm also acting as a software engineer and a cloud engineer in a company called C3M at present. So reach out to me if you need any help in the cloud or web domain. So Pritham, if you want to introduce yourself.
Yeah, so actually, hello everyone. I'm Pritham Rahman, and I'm the web dev volunteer of GDSC SNU. And it is very interesting. Web development very interesting. So I have knowledge on JavaScript, MongoDB, and React also. I have done some projects, and some are also going on. So yes, it's very interesting. So I am welcoming all of you all to join with us, contribute as much as you can, and yes, learn together a lot, and uh, do some new works, and gather some experience, gain some knowledge, and that's it. So thank you all.
Sucheta.
Now, Sucheta.
Yeah. Hi everyone, I'm Sucheta and I'm third year BTech CSS student. So I joined GDSC recently and I was thrilled to find out tech enthusiasts like myself. And we are, as Osama said, we are currently working on two projects, on one project, and we are planning to work on another. So if you all are interested, then please join us. And yeah, we will paste the link for that website for you guys. So you can check that out, and you can also give your feedback and say if you want any to add any features and all, and we will look up on it. And if you want to add some features, then please let us know on Discord, and we will connect with you. So yeah, it's still in version 1, and we are still developing it. So your feedback and contribution is very much desirable. Thank you very much.
Yeah. So all the best to all of you guys, and for any technical queries, any help in with the field, so you guys can ask or contact with us without no hesitation.
Yeah.
Sure.
So we are.
Sure.
We
We
are
are friendly
also,
people over here.
Yeah,
We don't
happy
bite.
coding, everyone.
We don't bite, yeah. Happy coding.
Reach out on Discord. Fine. Thank you, Wasami.
Thank you, team. Thank you, edit team.
Thank you so much. Now we will call our community relations lead, Moshumi.
Yeah. So just bear with us for a few more moments. That team introduction is almost over.
So, hello everyone, I am Moshini from CSC department second year. So, I started my coding journey for 4 years back. I can code in Java, C, and little bit of Python, which is still in learning phase. And recently, I started learning web development too, because it seems interesting to me. I love to sketch, singing song, listening to music, dance, and cook. Sometimes I write some poems and quotes as well. It might sound like I'm a multi talented person, but honestly, I'm not at all a pro in any field. but I try to give my best in everything which interests me. So as I mentioned earlier that I I am also the community relation lead at GDSC SNU. So what is the role of being a community relation lead? Well, community is the core of our club, and ensuring all the different departments are kept updated with each other's work is a very crucial job. So I'm the one responsible for all these tasks here to maintain a proper relationship among the team members and representing our club to the outer world in also a job of community relation lead. So the three core teams working along with me are PR, sponsor, social media, and events. But my task is not restricted to them. I have to bridge the community gap between all the technical and non-technical teams present in GDSC. That's all my intro. Thank you.
Thank you, Mosumi. Thank you so much. Without you, this event wasn't possible. Actually, without many of you, the including our internal team and the and all of the audience, actually, the event will be a utter flop, actually. So it is a like two-way relationship. So yeah. So after that, we have.
After that, we will move on to the social media team, but unfortunately, the lead Piyush wouldn't be there with us due to.
Piyush is here. Is he in like speakable state or we have a recording from him actually?
Yes, yes.
Piyush, are you able to speak right now? Otherwise, we'll get to the video.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello. Maybe he is not able to speak.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So let me share my screen actually. Let's see what.
Actually, the voice is not.
The audio.
The audio.
The audio issue again. Okay. Window. Include computer sound. Oh. Okay.
First, start with the journey of this and show. Hey guys.
Is it audible right now?
Yes, perfectly audible.
Yes.
So let me first introduce myself. My name is Piyush Chandrachandra, finally a CSC undergrad and social media lead of this club. Okay, so let me first start with the journey of these 3 long years at SNU. So initially our university was like if you just see that the university when we took the admission and you will see this university you will say that this is not our university, like that was completely different. If you just see you will see that this is not our university. So but yes, I must say that we had a great induction. Like we must thank our registrar sir for organizing such a great induction. And I still remember those words that he said. Like he said that the university you are looking now, and in coming 4 months you will completely see a different university. Like you will see a completely different, you will be able to say that I am reading in Sister Nivedita University. And actually it happened also. Like seriously, this change was remarkable. Like I must say that such change in 4 months was amazing. I really appreciate that. So mainly we like made a lot of memories in this offline classes, which you all will also be making in coming years. So I guess you all are excited, right? Like for these offline classes, like it will start soon, I guess. So well, so coming to my hobbies, I'm really passionate about web designing and everything around its orbit. Like I am really passionate about it, and I'm really looking forward to learn from our web lead. who is an amazing lead. I must say, I have learned a lot from him. Okay, so here comes the diversity of this club. Like, we don't really care about from which year you are, from which like what is your age or where from you belong. We don't really care about that. If you want to learn, this is the right place for you. You will get a proper guidance, you will get enough opportunities, and you will just see that there are a lot of things that we this club will be organizing for you in like aside from universities one. So coming to my club, like coming to the team I'll be managing. So social media is not just about sharing memes or chatting. Yeah, definitely it is. I know that we all know that this only, but there are a lot of opportunities that we can see in this social media thing. Like for example, if I'll give an example where what we will be doing in this club, we will be closely looking after the contents, quality contents that our design team or like our resource team will be providing us, and we will be managing the entire community. Like if I'll say that the we will be managing the entire marketing thing of this club. So this is a big thing. I must say that this is a big thing. So I guess this is enough to encourage you to be a part of this team, and I'll be very happy to help you. If you have any kind of queries, please do feel free to contact me, and I'll be happy to help you. Thank you.
Thank you for your
Shomadip,
hello. Well,
Shomadip, I will add on to some points about Piyush, what Piyush said in his video. That from this whole group, Tamim, and Piyush is the oldest student from here who actually saw this college growing from the base. Tamim, are you here?
Yeah, I'm there.
Tamim, do you remember the condition of the college when we first entered?
Yeah, we just went into a under construction building that was just made out of cement, and it was not even painted
Yes,
actually.
it was like after taking admissions, I guess Mosu ma'am and other faculties are also there. When we entered, we saw an undergoing construction building claimed to be a college, uh, and the most foremost thing was there was a banner with the photo of the college, and it was claimed that it would be the future. So after seeing that, we did very things that we said to other teachers or our faculties or our friends that ma'am, we can't see any development of the constructions. But till now, as it was said by Register Sir, as it was said by the faculties, that wait for the timing, you will get everything. And I now am saying that this college is claiming to be the best college now in Kolkata and one of the most developing college, including all the faculty, including all the clubs and the faculties supporting the clubs, from technologies to the designing teams and to mass communication to other various departments. So it would be very honored to say that the juniors, those who are coming and being here attending this, you were very lucky to get such a college. There are no restrictions from the faculties to join these teams. This is only. Thank you.
thank you, Shohit. Uh, Actually, I was maybe the second most senior student here, but when I entered the college, it was pretty much built. I won't say that it was perfectly built. Uh, that wasn't the case. The ground was not 100% ready. That I love is a new thing that you see right now. That wasn't there, and all those stuffs. But yeah, the canteen was completely different, and yeah, the waiting room was different. There was no waiting room essentially.
So yeah, so hope to meet you soon. So continue, hosts.
Okay, so next, Shomodi from social media team will come.
Shomendu.
Shomendu Saduka.
No worries, no worries. I know we have staged the event like for a large amount.
I'm
Sorry for.
audible.
Yeah, you are audible.
Please continue.
Hello everyone. I am Somendu Sadhukan, second year of CSE. I am a social media manager at GDSC SNU. Now you may wonder why did I choose to be a social media manager? I am very active on social media and I love the fact how we can connect on internet with like-minded people so easily. We know how social media plays a very important role in our day-to-day lives. I am pretty sure up to some extent we have intrigued and influenced by the fancy advertisements we see all over the internet. I work as a team with my lead Piyushda. It feels a fun experiencing and learning and growing and engaging content together. But here at GDSC, I am not just restricted in social media. I am here to free venture my other technical interests like cybersecurity, AI, ML. Things seem to be difficult now since everything is online. But when it starts offline, it will be a lot of fun together here. Looking forward on working with you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Somendu.
And now our events team member Pavan Kumar will say something and also give us a surprise as well. So Pavan, over to you.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Pavan.
Yeah.
Hi,
Hi
Pavan.
everyone. Actually, there is some lightning issue. I don't know what happened to my tube light, but I hope I am visible. Yeah. So hello everyone. I'm Pavan Kumar from CSBS third sem. I recently joined GDSC SNU as a team member under web development volunteer and events. I guess you all are now familiar with the term GDSC and how it works. So whenever you face any problem, you all can always reach out to me. But before ending, everyone was saying about coding, coding, coding. So I thought, let us have some show off. So how many of you are on Telegram? You can just say yes or no in the chat section.
How many of you are on Telegram? Okay. Wow. So many people are on Telegram.
Yeah.
Downloading Netflix pirate shows or what?
Yeah. Yeah, that's actually great. But even if you are not, I will be sharing my screen, so you won't miss any fun. So let us start. Okay, I will be sharing my screen.
Yeah.
Okay, so hope my screen is visible.
Yeah, it is visible.
Yeah. So those who are on Telegram, they can simply go to Telegram and search. Yeah, P first word. I will be writing the name here in the chat. Okay, sorry, just a second. Yeah, great. Or you can just go to the link P first word. So tell me when you all are available there.
Yeah, just go there to check. Yeah.
Yeah, when you will be there, you will be seeing a bot called named Atma, which will be saying that this bot has been designed just to interact with the SNUs while GDSC SNU induction of 2021. So I hope you all, yeah, so yeah, great. So many are saying that they are there. Let us wait just one more minute to confirm.
Okay, they are getting it, I guess. You can continue.
Okay, yeah. So like if you would have been joining with the phone, there will be a start button, which will be something like that. So just press the start. Now you can see that nothing is working on because I have not like run it now. So here, like I'm using my computer as a host. So whenever I will press run, and yeah, the things will work. And let us see what actually happens. Okay, so many people have started already.
Wow, so many
Yeah.
people have started it.
Yeah. So actually, yeah, actually, you all are brave enough to contact an Atma. So we have following command. You can actually try it out. So first one is greet. So let us just use this command to greet yourself. So yeah, bravo, whatever your name is, you just gave a command to an Atma. So brave of you. I'm delighted to welcome you at the induction of GDSC SNU. Looks like you are enjoying the event. Next, sometimes when you feel demotivated or need some motivation, so you can actually go and use the term motivate command. So whenever you will, sorry, I guess I made a mistake. Okay, yeah. So whenever you will use the motivate command, there will be always a random motivational code with the name of its writer. So,
So
so
many.
yeah, you can also try it out. Yeah, motivate. So this is, yeah. Every time it will be random, not like repeating a certain amount of codes, but it will be truly random. So after that we have horo. So how many of you believe in horoscope, like Leo, Cancer? Some are very easy horoscope to pronounce. So we have horo. Let us see the most common horo, like Leo, which is actually easy to write. So yeah, this is today's date and your sun sign Leo, and this is your horoscope. I don't know if it is correct or wrong, but yeah, it is just for fun. So this is horoscope. You can actually check it out if it really works. Next, we have dictionary. Yeah, so some of you might feel like searching a new word. So let us search about this induction only. What does this induction actually mean? Okay, induction, and you will say that you have a word named induction, and there is a definition like the action or process of including someone to a post or organization. There is an example that induction into membership of a Masonic brotherhood. Okay, and the last one we have news. So talking about news is like if you want to be updated with the real world. So here is the top 10 news. आज की ताजा खबर. So the first one, second one, and there is actually link where you can actually read the full article by clicking there. So this was all about, but since you all were here, we at GDSC members had decided to gift you all, but there was some technical issues. As there was many, but yeah, there were some technical issues. But even I wanted to show you that yeah, this gift command you can try it out. So the gift one says, thank you, your name, for staying with us till now. As an honor, we are delighted to gift you a badge that can actually be showcased at your Google developers account. It would have been possible, but there was some error, like there was some technical issue. So I just used that example domain here. So it was all. And one thing I like to mention that this bot will not work like 24/7, as I am using my computer as a host. So whenever my computer will be off or disconnected to internet, it will just not work. But whenever I will like turn on my computer, it will work. So this is why I named this bot Atma. Like if you believe it will work, and if you don't, it just does not. So that's all from my side. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you, Pawan. That was a really nice uh, demo and really nice intro of you. And actually, I am sorry that I couldn't make the badge thing possible within this short time frame. Actually, you can consider it as a coincidence or anything that our program managers at Google are also sick right now. So actually, the link got broken, the code got invalid. So I requested them again to look into the issues, but they were sick, so they couldn't. They reached out to me and they told that we're a little bit sick, so I'm a little bit sick. I have informed the people at the office who is in charge of this, but yeah. Then this is weekend, the offices are off, the global offices are off, so yeah. But we'll give you the batch soon, as soon as I get them. Maybe in the next week or maybe in the next event. So this was all of our teammates. I guess we have covered everyone, right? Hosts.
Yeah, we have actually.
Wow,
Yes,
that's
we have.
really nice.
That was
We have
pretty great of
covered
you.
I know this is a really gigantic team. Maybe you are thinking, but you can be also a part of it. Some of you probably are confused that which team, like how the hierarchy is, how what are the all the teams. I thought of giving you a glimpse on the PPT itself, but as I said, I was sick and I was outside for an urgent work. I couldn't even make a proper PPT. It was just made in an hour, and without any speech for myself. So yeah. So, but I would love to show you something that is GDSC. This is a new. Uh, okay. Uh, Google Sites. Do I have it here? I have to check. Yeah, I have it here. Yeah. If you go here, you will see a thing called club structure. I will not be explaining everything to you right now because the event is already stretched and it is already 8 p.m. So we should end it soon. So this is the basic club structure. There is me, the GDSC lead, there is faculty advisor, program managers at Google, and these are all the teams. The web dev team that is partitioned into Android team and Flutter team, the web dev team, the AML team, cloud team, cybersec team, airware team, and then there is graphics team, technical writing team, resource design team, social media team, events team, outreach and sponsorship team. And we'll be taking people from you and I mean for the internal team. And also you can be a normal member. Okay. There are some differences we'll be explaining in a better setup maybe. Okay. I have like explained some of you like some stuff, but I know that 100% clearance uh, like is not possible in this kind of short time, and I really do not want to stretch you guys more. But yeah, you guys have already posted some interesting questions. I will answer them right now, and just ask us anything. Okay, if you do not answer, you just keep your questions flowing in the chat. After that, we'll be having a scribble session. Maybe we'll be having a 5 to 10 minutes rest, and then we'll be having scribble session in Discord. Okay. Okay. Can someone of you like paste? Okay. Give me 1 second. The link tree URL. There they will find all of our social media links and.
So some people asked a question in Slido.
Hello. Hello. Yeah. Am I
Hello.
audible?
Some of our member questioned in Slido, like some of us asked that who is the leader of GDSC?
Yeah.
Who
What?
is the leader of GDSC?
Maybe we did a pretty terrible job at introducing ourselves, maybe. So yeah, I am the lead. I'm the lead here at GDSC. This is as I have said, GDSC is only 2.5 months old. So yeah, so I'm leading GDSC essentially. But actually, GDSC is moving because of all of the teammates, not because of me. I'm just a medium. That's all. And then hope I have cleared everything. Yeah.
Yes, and then means like why GDSC?
Okay,
Some
why
of you
GDSC?
asked why GDSC?
Okay, interesting questions.
Interesting question. Yeah.
So why GDSC? Nice. So it is like somebody interviewing me. but I'm pretty terrible at giving interviews. Okay, so so GDSC will give you a platform to experiment, to learn from others, will give you resources, not from will generate resources from ourselves and also from Google and like all the partners we have. We'll have like in the future events, we may call some Googlers, may call some established personnel, and GDSC teaches you how to think for a solution from ground up. Now, like teachers will give you assignments, will write a particular questions that you have to solve. But in the real world, the situations are like pretty ambiguous. You have to ask question to yourself, then have to solve it. The question maker is you, the solution maker is also you. So that is a new thing. So we want to give you that platform. And here, as you can see, we're pretty young people here, and we do not fear to experiment with stuff. We may fail again, twice, thrice, uh, 4 times, 5 times, but we try again. And eventually we trust in ourselves that we'll succeed. Okay, so
A lot of people have this one question, that is how to become a core team member.
And also same question as Ivan Trivedi also asked that how to become a member of GDS.
okay, cool.
Yeah, a lot of people ask this question.
So what core member does is arranging everything, mentoring others, and helping others out. So even if you are a newbie, I mean, if you have some basic knowledge about a technology, you are eligible to be a core member. Actually, we do not call something a core member. We actually call it as a organizing team. Organizing team and core members are different. So that people you have met are the organizing team. Okay. So the core team is more of a like management kind of thing, and actually you do not directly pick people for the core team. We pick people for the organizing team. Okay, that 20 people you have met is from the organizing team, and some of them, just some of them, maybe 4 or 5 of them, are like in the core team. Okay, that core team is for the management, and organizing team is for the management plus teaching others plus helping others out. How to become this core member or organizing member? That is, will roll out some like forms or something that you have to fill up, and we will interview you about your technical proficiency. And according to that, we will give you some levels. Like we have multiple levels. Some can be the lead. Like leads are assigned, so that is not changing if they do not miss up something. Then we have mentors, then we have volunteers, and you can easily understand the levels of them. And you can be a normal member. I mean, not an organizing team member, but a normal member anytime for any team. And for that, what you have to do, you have to go to like GDSC. Can somebody paste the link? Actually, we have that link, right? Do we have that link? Yeah. Go to the click on that Linktree link. Okay. There you will find an option called become a member. If you click to become a member, you will get to that gdsc.community.dev/System University Kolkata page. And there you have to click on the join button that I have shown you earlier in that slide of mine. By clicking there, you will be an official member from a chapters page. Then you have to go to Discord and pick the roles accordingly as per your interest, and we'll catch up you there very soon. Then
So the Slido questions are done.
Slido questions are done. I can see some more questions.
Oh.
Okay, so which one is better, Geeks or GDSC? Okay, it is a bit controversial question, but I would say both the clubs, chapters, whatever you say, have different meaning attached to them, have like different style of operation, have different targets, have different principles. So it will not be a like apple to apple comparison. So we like shouldn't do it at all. So there is no question of being better or worse.
So the next question is, if somebody asks that if I know only Python, is GDSC for me?
Yeah, GDSC for everyone, even if you do not know how to code. You do not code how to do not know how to code right now, but you may know in future, right? And yeah, Python is enough. Python is enough. If we totally focus on project-based learning and like directly solving a real issue, okay. So if I talk about me, I actually started with C only, and then I picked other languages like Python, Dart, C++, JavaScript, and I was like 2-3 days before I was working on PHP and whatnot. I picked up Golang because I needed them, not because I have to learn like 8 different languages or so. Languages are just tools. So Python, just get started with it. If the solution requires something else, you will learn it. If you know one language, you know almost every language possible. Yeah, should I pay for Coursera certificate or opt for free option? See, now it depends. Actually, yeah, Kanika has said apply for financial aid. Financial aids are good. If you get the financial aid, you will get the certificates, the examination, and the courses all for free. So all good.
Financial aid depending on your application. So if you want to get a certificate, you can always apply for a financial aid.
And there is another thing. Yeah.
Yes, one question is, which languages are preferable in GDSC?
We are not a language-based community. Where we are a problem-solving based community, not like solving bookish problems, but solving real-world problems based community. So we just pick stuff, pick the right tools whenever there is the right moment. So there is no preferable language. Learn whatever you like. You may start with, if you want to know the core fundamentals of CS, start with C. If you just directly want to get some visual feedback of something, you start with HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Yeah. Okay. So tips to get approved. Just be honest, I guess. I guess Orko, Moshumi, me, Kaninika, we four of
financial
we
aid.
all have got financial aid from Coursera at some point of time.
So
So yeah,
I send you a draft. I guess I have a draft.
yeah, you can send him the draft. I guess.
I
I
also
lost mine because I applied 1.5 years ago actually.
Just text me on Discord. After joining Discord server, you'll see me there. Just text me on Discord.
You cannot.
And also,
Wow,
see,
somebody posted one artwork. Like, it's awesome.
wow, that's really nice actually.
Thanks.
Okay, so actually in that Coursera thing, actually, if you are like want to pay just for the certification, I would say it's not worth it, because nowadays certification doesn't matter until it is certified by it is acquired by giving some really difficult exams, like maybe Android Associate exam or Google Cloud certification program, and this kind of stuff, which who have this kind of like proctored examination and all those. Otherwise, if you want to really donate to Coursera and give the exams, then you can do it. Let me drink some water. Actually, I'm having a very bad headache right now. If we have any more questions.
What is Coursera certificate? It's not a particular Coursera certificate. Coursera offers you different courses. On completion of each of the courses, you will get a certificate that is offered by Coursera. If you're paying for the
as well, you have to complete the assignments also on time for getting the certificate.
They are self-paced assignments. You can complete them anytime, and after that, if you pay for it, then you get the certificate, or if your financial aid gets approved, then you get the certificate. All right, do we have any more questions?
Do we have any more questions?
I think we don't have any more questions for today.
Okay, so a little, so you guys can always go to that Scribble channel we have in our Discord, and sh- okay, I'm sharing my screen once again. If I go to, let's go to Discord. Hmm, I'm feeling a little sick right now, so I don't know if I will be able to join. But yeah, so here is this Scribble thing. Just click here and join. Okay, everyone please join, and we'll be back shortly, maybe in 10 minutes or so. Uh, and even some of you can just share their screens and continue playing Scribbles till you come. Maybe you guys can also host. No
Sure,
worries.
no worries.
But
So,
we'll be there. We'll be back. At least
thank you.
Kainika and Musumi will be back. Tamida is there. They will be there. I'm trying to enter the Scribble session also.
It's nice to meet you as well as interacting with you all. Thank you so much for your patience.
Everyone,
Thank you so much for bearing us for
3 hours.
1.5, yeah, 3 and 15 minutes. We overrun the event by 1.5 hours actually, and we still have 41 people left. That is like beyond my expectations.
Yes, actually, I also never thought about this. Like,
Yeah, the majority of the people left. We can understand that. That's why we have like designed the session in such a way that we can like push the very core parts, very gist of the DSC at the very beginning of the session, because I know that we all want to get some rest and all. I know you guys are like doing classes till Saturday, and Sunday is also these guys are like speaking and all for for 3.5 hours. So yeah, we can understand that. So with that being said, let's call it a day and see you on the Discord maybe for a Scribble session.
yes. Hi, guys.
Hi, everyone.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
And sorry for the mistakes we have made today. Like literally, I was saying to the team that maybe the nature is against us because like so much of the issues that are outside of our control happened in the last 48 hours. That was pretty devastating for us. Our morale was pretty down before this event, but after seeing you all, after interacting with you all, we are again energized. We're a little tired, maybe. May sound a little tired. Most of me is tired very much. I can say that. And yeah, sorry for like being standing all the time and sitting on the ground. I still do not have any chair actually. I can say like no chair there. So yeah, thank you for bearing with us. I know some of the questions are not cleared yet. We'll clear you.
Mistake, but your health mistake.
The last thing I want to say is
Thank
it
you so
might.
much, Ayush.
Yeah, thank you so much, Ayush. We know that you can't much, but it's honest work. So yeah, so hope you guys spread the knowledge who haven't couldn't digest it properly due to our faults or due to maybe platform problems or maybe due to the current situation we are facing. You guys can guide them and also collect the questions, get back to us. We maybe roll out a form or a mail maybe to gather some feedbacks. We do not want any sugar-coated feedbacks be as harsh as possible because we will make it completely anonymous. If you want a proof, maybe I will come live or post another this kind of session and show you the raw feedback response I got. I will not even collect your email
Just
ID.
be free to give us your feedback so that we can make other future events more better, and also yeah. So bye guys. See you on.
Bye. Have
And
a nice
Bye,
good night.
guys.
yes,
Have a nice
feel free
day.
to ask question and clear the doubts in Discord as well as our unofficial WhatsApp group as well. So bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, everyone. See you there in Discord then.
See
Okay.
you.
Ta-da.